Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable two-factor authentication in your Onlyfans. First of all, go to your Chrome or Edge browser and go to onlyfans.com. Now what you need to do is go and click More. Go to Settings, click on Settings and go to Account. Now you can set your phone number. After setting your phone number, you should go to two-step authentication. Now you can enable it. As mine is already enabled, you should go ahead and update your phone number, and you can even verify it with Authenticator app or verification ID or your Face ID. So it's quite simple. Go to More, go to Settings and go to Account. Set your phone number, then go to two-step verification. Now you can update your phone and you can enable verification via Face ID. You can even update your phone by which you will get the SMS from. This way, your OnlyFans account will be more secure. So, this was a video on how you can enable two-step or two-factor verification in OnlyFans. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.